Six rules I'm going to share about learning from Mark Minervini, a US top trader, which you can implement straight away. And a lot of top traders swear by it. And you can use these rules and build around a system which can peacefully create wealth for you. Let's get started. And the last one is my favorite. Number one, use stop loss. Now, what he says is if you lose all your chips, the game is over. Always use a stop, typically around 8% he talks about, and risk not more than 1% of your capital on any single trade. This protects your portfolio and keeps you in the game. Number two, only trade high probability setup. Now he has a specific setups. What I want to tell you is to focus on the best of the best. Look for the system he teaches SEPA VCP, which is kind of pattern his pattern, but you can figure out based on strong earnings or top 10% of relative strength stocks. Whatever you do, you need to cut out the noise, focus on the best of best, and 90% of stock aren't worth your time. So that is where the peaceful weekend investing is, where you build that system around it. Number three, concentrate your portfolio. Don't over diversify. Now, what he means by that, and what I think I'm using as part of his minimally bets on 5 to 10 elite stocks and keep pyramiding, and that is something. Sizing, position sizing is very important. So he sizes the trade so it works, and make sure that each of the tranches are a separate trade, and let the winners run and cut out the losers. Number four, sell into strength. This is ultimate, okay? And you can see, I leave the link below of BSC trade and others like coaching shipyard, where we sold on the strength and then enter again. You got to have that so you lock in your gains and make your trade profitable, or at least you can't lose from there. So protect your profit before it disappears. Use trailing stop and keep riding it, because you never know what steam is left, right? Number fifth, mindset over everything, and that is, a confidence comes only with the process, and I keep emphasizing that in this videos again and again. The process is what is where you get the confidence, because you want to anticipate and not just outcomes. Focus on outcomes with process. Focus on outcome with process, I repeat again, so that you can execute it without having too much of ambiguity in mind. And review your trades, journals, and grow that. That's his fifth learning. Number six, adapt. And this is my favorite, adapt aggressively. Now, when markets get choppy, play defense or stay in cash. And cash is a position, I always say that. When trends are clear, scale in, ride the wave. Don't worry about what the noise is, what market is saying, or what the news is. You should start your position building very early on. Watch sector rotation, which is a very important thing. Market breadth, which we talked about, is also a very important thing. I'll leave the link below. I shared about one simple market breadth indicator you can use, and what are the distribution days. So if you want more powerful trading insights like this, join the growing community of peaceful weekend investors, and simply you can become a calm and peaceful consistent investor. Tap follow, save this, and share it with your someone who needs to see it. Thank you. Bye.